In this video, I'll show you how to add battery clips to your small engine tachometer to turn it into a mobile test instrument. Okay, the beauty of this hack is you can do it with just your two hands. All you're going to need, of course, one of these little tachometers. You're going to need a battery clip. This clip is just some I had in my storage drawer. I haven't tried any experiments with different sizes. It seems as long as it pretty well wraps around your spark plug wire, it should work. And I'll show you here in just a minute on how to do it. You won't need any tools, just the clip, this, and your two hands, and we're going to have you up and running in just a few minutes. Alright, we're down to the nitty gritty now. We're actually going to put the alligator clip on. It's very simple. Just take your wire, the end of the wire, and run it up through one end of your battery clip. Run it up. You can open it up, the clip up, so you can get a hold of it, and you're going to be pushing it back down on the other side of the spring. It just goes around the spring and back down on the other side of the battery clip. If it's a little too long, if it's sticking out a little too long, you can easily just pull it back with the other part. Don't be too rough on it. But the wire does seem to be pretty tough. You can bend these little keepers over. It'll just help keep the wire in place on both ends. There's not really no pressure on it, so just bend them over to hold them in place. And if you have, if these covers on, put your covers back on the wire. And that's all it takes. I know you're mad that you didn't think of this yourself, but the project's complete now. You can try it out on your mower or other small equipment. Alright, I got 3 engines out here running. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to move your tachometer from one machine to another. If you're going to use this as a test instrument to move between different machines to check the idle or adjust the carburetor, you may want to cut the length of the wire off some. You can cut it off if you need to. 30 to 36 inches seems to be average length of a test lead. It's up to you. If you do cut it off, make sure you save it in case you need to reattach it. You can just solder the wires back on if you need to. So here I'm moving to these engines to show you some more testing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, let me know below. I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks.